basis, we have to cancel it. So today, though, weather is very inclement, but we thought that we should go and visit the site, and we are here.
Deputy Chief Minister and senior NPP leader Sneha Bhalang has predicted that the Congress is on the verge of being wiped out in Meghalaya. Addressing a press conference in Shillong yesterday, Sneha Bhalang said that they do not intend to wipe out Congress in Meghalaya, but they are only strengthening NPP in Meghalaya. Dhar made the statement after three Congress MLAs, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Gabriel Walang and Charles Marngar, joined the NPP.
Maybe there is a plus for us. It's a good time. They join at the right time. That I can say. They are joining at the right time. I'm not saying maga jingurum jongi iglayu ki Congress mile thara la TV ke la express media ku express kalau kita tu. Ani nak link jongi kum kan bikarti ni dan kalau ngurung jingut man buat ni nung. Man broch ka tu milai telang lu arja katra. Ni sudah iba coalition putera jongi. Nitro se ndol kanu uru jimu ban kandria ban yan ngintai hadu benda ku dikatem bat kumjo ni kinti ban teng so adu arok pa